Oh, there's one there, Benito!
Okay, hang on. I've got it. Oh, hang on. Oh, that was awful. What the hell? That can't make it into the cut. That was almost as bad as you. No,
my God.
There's a butterfly just down here, which isn't an Ethiomium, but it's one that I really want to show you. No. So this is one of the most well-studied groups of butterfly in the world. This is a Heliconius butterfly, or a long-winged butterfly. And just look at the beautiful hind wing colour patterns there. Really wonderful. But the reason why our lab group studies these things is because of their brains. Inside the butterfly brain is a structure called the mushroom body. And that structure is involved in learning and memory. And in Heliconius, it is unusually big. In fact, it's around 4 times greater than any other butterfly that has been studied. And the reasons for that is something that our lab group are interested in and are trying to understand. These guys seem to be quite unique in some of their behaviours. In particular, their ability to feed on pollen. Most butterflies that we see in the forest and ones you'll see in your garden only feed on the nectar, that sugary solution that flowers provide. But these guys actually eat the pollen itself, and that has various important implications because that pollen has nutrients that nectar doesn't have. And that is thought to enable these butterflies to live for longer. This is one of the longest lived butterflies in the world. And if you live for longer, then life becomes slightly more worth remembering. And that's why we think these butterflies have evolved these large mushroom bodies to remember the location of their favourite food plants, which are dotted randomly around the forest. Put it on my face and see what it does. A lot of sweat for you to have fun with there, mate. I hope Henry Walter Bates and Fritz Muller had this much fun with these butterflies. I love that I get the best side of the deal here because honestly, Theodora is absolutely covered in sweat beads right now. There's also a really weird beetle on your trousers.
Really?
But what's even more crazy is that I could catch a Heliconius doris in Colombia or even the other side of Ecuador and it could look completely different. There are loads and loads of different races of these butterflies that you would think were different species, but actually, if you put them together, they will happily interbreed. So it raises all sorts of fascinating questions about what a species is and the mechanisms by which species arise. And that's another reason why these guys have fascinated biologists for so long. Right, come on mate, I've got work to do here. Ooh. They also smell rather nice. A lot of naturalists back in the day spent a lot of time smelling Heliconius butterflies. You can see why. Very nice. Right, lovely stuff.